What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our video. Got a little freshy wash. Dude, this thing, I love this thing. I love the way they look, man. They look so good. And dude, now they're dropping in value. So someday, these are gonna become so affordable. It's gonna be kind of sad. Like, what's next after this? You know, like, obviously they came out with the new M5. It's basically the same thing as this. But like, these are all gonna become so cheap that V8s, like, what's gonna be next? You know, there has to be like another, I feel like they're gonna come out with something crazy someday. Like crazy V8 technology, I don't know, some BS like that. But the view here is amazing, man. Blessed every single day, blessed to be alive, blessed to be healthy. Make sure you guys don't take things for granted, you know, while you have it. What matters is being healthy. Money comes and goes, but health, dude, is the most important thing. So make sure you guys don't take that for granted. I pretty much just filmed like 10 minutes and it all went to waste. I even went to a parking structure that was like low key, and then everything I got cooked. So time to basically film another. This is like basically like a second video at this point. Fudge, man. Whatever. But basically what I was saying in the last videos, you know, as you know, thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for consistent views. I appreciate it. You know, even if I don't get views, bro, I'm still doing this because why not? I mean, I don't do this for the views or the money. It's just, I don't know, man. It just, if I'm gonna rape these cars, bro, I have to put it somewhere. I'm already paying the price for these payments and insurance, so might as well do something with it, you know? That's the only reason why I post it, honestly. I'm just so sad I recorded so much. I was like gassing it the whole time for you guys. Like, man, I'm gonna go back that way because that parking structure was so lit. I'm so happy the stock tune's decent. If the stock tune was not decent, I'd be sad. This is me forcing the pops, by the way. If I'm just driving normally and I let go of the gas, it pops. When I tap it, I'm doing that on purpose. I want to see when it stops. So now it stops. So it's not popping anymore. Usually when I switch gears. Okay, there we go. The best part about these pops though is like, let's say I'm on low gears, it's driving like 10 miles an hour. Right? It pops, dude. Dude, I love this car. Just sounds so good, bro. I'm telling you. And they're getting cheap. So someday they're gonna be hella affordable. Dude, I bet you someday they're gonna come out with some like V10 that's just like a solid engine, that's twin turbo, and then SVJ is gonna have to level up and come out with the V16. Like, dude, these guys are just gonna non-stop just like farm bigger engines. Because if everyone's gonna have a V8 twin turbo one day, like, then what's gonna, how is there gonna be a difference? You know, I have a feeling that prices will hold. I think that's what's gonna happen. I feel like V8 twin turbos are just gonna hold value very well. Oh my gosh. Holy. I just can't believe I didn't film again for the second time in a row. Like, I literally had it rolling. And then once I put it on my head, it just stopped rolling. That's such a buzzkill, man. I'm pissed. Right now, dude, like, I'm pissed I didn't just like full port. I remember when the tariffs came out and the stocks were dropping, bro, I put all the money I had saved up, all of it, and dude, it was a great return. I made like 30%. Dude, I made 30% on like dividend stocks, which are like super low risk stocks. And then on the Nvidia, I had 80% return. I sold everything already right now. I don't know. I don't really trust whatever's happening right now. Dude, I love it. I love the way it burbles. I don't know how people don't like pop. Some people don't like. I don't know, man. You need a little bit of pop. When I was filming a video earlier, I stopped by this one place called Genesis One. They do like mods on custom cars, obviously, right? But they went. Looks like to me they didn't go out of business, but they had to switch buildings, and it's either two things. Either like the lease ended, or they just couldn't. They leveraged too much. You know, maybe they grew too fast. Because when you're doing this stuff with people's vehicles, bro, and something breaks within like a week or so after modding, like you take the blame, which kind of sucks, you know. So, dude, it's 4:30 right now in the sun. Look at that, dude. This is kind of sad, man. It's this when the sun goes down too early. It's like I guess it's good and bad. The only thing I hate about it is like when the sun's down, you would think there's like less traffic, right? Because it's like I'm so used to nighttime being around 8 and there's no traffic on the road. But bro, when the sun goes down at 5, it's like prime. But basically, there was a dude over here that Genesis One had a building here, and it went out. I don't know. I wonder what happened, because like most of these units they don't have people in it, which makes me curious. Like, what is like either the guy that's leasing them out is doing something wrong, like finessing people? Because I know that this was just one unit by itself. Maybe these ones are filled out. They're just like they don't have a logo. Nah. I think that those are actually connected. Yeah. So there's a unit. There's somebody in there. Oh wait, there's actually somebody in here too. Well, anyways, that dude went out, which is kind of sad, you know. It's like, I don't know, I wonder if you over leverage, but that's just part of business, man. Like moving, I don't think he had that much equipment to move either, but like, you know, there's a cost to moving to different buildings and stuff. So I'm like, it makes me curious, like see, business is cool. Everyone wants to be a business owner, right? Like everyone wants to have the title, like, yeah, I own a business, but bro, like if you're not willing to handle like 3 times more stress, then you don't want to be a freaking business owner, because it is way more stressful. Pop or no? Do they always have security here? I wonder. Dang, they're active that much, bro. These guys are balling, bro. These guys are balling. That's the best business to be a part of, man. Movie industry. enjoying this video, man. I'm so sad that I didn't record the beginning because it's like, I don't know, man. Like it's like it's basically like I'm filming a second video now, you know. But I love driving around these businesses because like there's no cars, no one to bother, and then I can gas it and not have to worry too much. So far, man, this year business has been doing good. Super high stress though. Like I mean, I don't even consider seeing a business as a flex. It's like, yeah, I'm willing to take on stress. I'm willing to work 7 days a week. I mean, there's always paperwork. There's always something. And to get to the point where like I have it automated, dude, it's like almost like, I mean, dude, I don't know. That's the goal eventually, but it's never like that, man. Like, no one's ever gonna put the amount of work that you're willing to put in. So it's like I'm always gonna have to be really, really active, you know. Like the only way I'm gonna be super successful is I have to be always hands-on, always running the team, you know. And then hiring more people to like get rid of other like things that I could do. I'm just creating more expenses for myself. Maybe if you guys buy this car just to chill, like just listen to it on like low RPMs. Like just, you gotta straight pipe it though. I feel like every car you need to straight pipe it. Like at least a nice car with straight pipe it. Like that deep tone, that's everything for me, man. Bro, everyone's opening up coffee shops now. There's just always a new businesses just opening up this year. I think there's like a lot of people starting businesses nowadays, and business is no joke. I mean, anyone that's making like easy money, bro, they have a partner. Because like somebody that's a newbie that's never done business or even worked a full-time job, like, dude, starting a business is not like that at all. I hope I recorded enough, but if I didn't, I'll make a little nighttime POV. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, see the progression, you know what I'm saying? We got the shop now, we got 4 employees. Dude, this year we're sending it, bro. We took risks this year, but if you guys enjoy it, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.